Hey there friends, I'm back again with the new tutorial video. In this video, I will teach you how to add filters to images in Canva, giving your photos that extra flair. Open your Canva project or start a new one. Make sure you have your image on the canvas. Now click on the image you want to apply a filter to. So I will add a filter to this image. Now please click on the edit photo option at the upper left side corner of your screen. Click, and then you will have an option here to add filters. See, just click see all, and then all the filters will show on your screen. See, and that's it. You now know how to add filters to images in Canva. It's a quick and easy way to make your photos look more professional and eye-catching. Filters can transform the look and feel of your images, whether it's for social media, presentations, or personal projects. Experiment with different filters to find your unique style. Thank you for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching how to add filters to images in Canva. See you on my next video.